Yet another COVID-19 death has been reported in Bengaluru. COVID-19 claims another life in Bengaluru. 32-year-old man succumbs to COVID-19 in the city. The deceased patient number 1270 was a resident of KG Halli. Death toll in Karnataka has risen due to COVID-19 and death toll has risen to 42. So this is the big news that is coming in. A 32-year-old man has succumbed to COVID-19 in Bengaluru. This man was a resident of KG Halli. So this is the big news that is coming in, and at this point of time when all of them were saying that people below the age group of 10 and above the age group of 60 were the most vulnerable, here a 32-year-old man has died due to COVID-19. And also yet another fact is that Karnataka has reported most number of deaths between the age group of 25 to 40 in the entire country. This is yet another stats that has been available now. So one important thing that the people should understand at all points of time is to make sure that they stay indoors and stay safe, because yes, the lockdown rules has been eased, but corona has not eased its grip, or COVID-19 has not eased its grip, and this is something important which the people will have to pay attention to. And coming to this particular case here, this COVID-19 has claimed yet another life in Bengaluru, and this 32-year-old man has succumbed to COVID-19 in the city. The deceased patient number 1270 was a resident of KG Halli. Death toll in Karnataka due to COVID-19 has risen to 42. So when it comes to entire Bengaluru urban now, there has been total number of 261 positive cases that has been reported. Total discharges stands at 130 in Bengaluru urban, and active cases is 120, and the total number of deaths is 10 in Bengaluru. So far the highest. So finally the single digit mark for the number of deaths has been breached in Bengaluru now. 10 deaths has been reported in Bengaluru urban. So 10 deaths in Bengaluru urban, in Kalaburgi 7, Belagavi 1, Davangere 4, Bagalkote 1, Bidar 2, Chikbalapur 2 deaths, Chikbalapur, I beg your pardon, Chikbalapur is 2 deaths, Vijaypura is 4 deaths, from Dakshina Kannada 5, Udupi 1, and also 1 each in Ballari as well as Gadag, and in Tumkuru 2 deaths has been reported. So this is the big news coming in at this point of time. A total number of 42 deaths has been reported due to COVID-19. So also the active cases now stands at 1,103, deaths at 42, and total discharges is 597, and total positive cases is 1,743 in the state of Karnataka. So this is the big news that is coming in. Bengaluru urban with the total number of 261 positive cases, Mandya 209, Kalaburgi 134, Belagavi 126, Davangere 118, Mysore is inching towards the 100 mark with 90 cases, Hassan with 80 cases, and Bagalkot with 77 cases.